Hello everyone, welcome to the Finland Academy and MTrade Software. In the series of Market Decoded, how week was and what are the key levels for coming week. So in a previous week, we have seen the market little bit sideways within a positive bias, but if you look at the broader range, the market is still under the patch of a consolidation. In this week, market has gained near about by 1.25%, and from a sector perspective, we have seen the outperformance from the metal sector, which is an ongoing part, and secondly, from the new emergence, we have seen a certain kind of traction from the pharma sectors and IT sectors, which were silent some time ago. Now, looking at the Nifty, we can understand that Nifty is moving in a kind of the sideways patch, and this is what the falling channel that we can connect. So by connecting its high points and low points, we can figure out such geometrical formations, and we see that means for past 2 to 3 months, we are seeing the prices are moving in the range of 14,200 on the low side and 15,000 on the higher side. So view is on the sideways. We are seeing the prices are in the upper band of the range. So upper band of the range is a critical level now. The move beyond a 15,000 level can indicate that there can be a certain kind of a positive momentum. So to make a positive view, the threshold level for that is in a 15,000 level. On the low side, we will keep on having the support near about, let's say, 14,400 and a 14,200 level. This is what in short-term support levels we can say. From the sector perspective, in a coming week, we can say that means there can be a momentum into the OMC's companies, because in this week we have seen a certain kind of traction in OMC's companies at the latter part of the week. So they may continue its in a momentum along with metals stocks. So OMCs will be under the limelight. Let's say the BPCL, in Petro and IOC companies. So we can pay an attention from a stock specific perspective. The engine of Nifty is a bank Nifty, we can say. So Nifty Bank is not performing that much well. In fact, in this week, Nifty Bank has underperformed, and we have seen certain kind of traction is moving up on the high side now. Overall structure of the bank Nifty is fine, but we are not finding that much kind of tractions right now. So once we see a certain kind of the movements in a bank Nifty, that it means it is piercing out its an immediate resistance level like a 33,800 level kinds of these things. So it indicates a certain kind of a positive momentum, and by the same time, it can give a push to the overall market as well. But for that purpose, we need to witness that means how the bank Nifty is moving up and whether it is able to breach its resistance point while protecting its support level or what. So view under the bank Nifty also remains a sideways as far as the index stays above the 31,500 level. So these are the certain kind of trigger points for a Nifty bank, we can say. So in a nutshell, the view remains in a sideways in the range of 14,200 to 15,000 level. We are in the upper band of the consolidation patch, so we need to be in a cautious. Move above the 15,000 level can indicate the next round of positivity, but before than that, the sidewaysness is there. From a sector perspective, the OMC can be the limelight. Nifty Bank structure is a good, but it is not confirming yet. As far as it is holding above the 31,500 level, we can say that this is what a sideways to positive bias for the Bank Nifty as well. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.